What is up, guys? This video is totally not planned. I didn't plan on filming this video, but I came downstairs. It's pretty quiet, so I was like, let me film this video. We're gonna get in deeper with my whole keto diet and how it's been, some more recipes and everything like that. I have a video dropping or that I'm going to be recording this week, so stay tuned for that. This video won't be like specific details. It's just going to be a quick little recipe, something for you to do to help you get into ketosis, to help you get a lot of fat into your diet for the day. So we're just going to go ahead and hop into it. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Watch this video all the way through. Watch it all the way through. Be sure to like and also leave some comments in the comment section if you want to try keto, what diet you're on, if you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, any questions you may have, just anything in general. Leave a heart, leave any questions. So just make sure the views and the questions and the comments and the likes are all matching up. I love you all so much, and let's just get into it. And also, I've been back on keto heavy now for probably about, I started when it was 90 days into my birthday, so about 5 days now, and I've lost 10 pounds. So, and I feel good. If you hear like walking and stuff in the background, not the only one that wants breakfast right now. And it is 12:17, so in a way it's kind of like fasting, I guess, or just waking up late because you went to sleep late. So first thing I'm going to do is take some apple cider vinegar pills, and this is optional. You don't have to do that. You can also drink the apple cider vinegar, or you could just not. I just take the pills. It helps leave the bitter taste out of your mouth. Do y'all see how clear like and bright my skin is getting? I've been taking really good care of it. So anyways, what you're going to need for this is some coffee. I'm using the Folgers Classic Roast, and this is their medium one. We don't like dark coffee over here, but this is just their regular one. I was looking to see if it was any more information, but we're going to be using this one. We're going to need some heavy whipping cream. This is the Coburn's Farm one. And heavy whipping cream is really, really good because it's high in fat, low in carbs. So, no, that's butter. This has 5 grams of fat. Coffee doesn't have no carbs at all, so it's really, really good because it's like, you could fill it up. This is kind of like a, I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But coffee is basically what you could do is just pump it up with a bunch of fats that really don't have that much flavor. So we're gonna be using a heavy whipping cream. You're going to need some butter. Butter is high in fat, low in carbs. Let me actually find it. So it's 11 grams of fat and 0 carbs. So it also has no flavor. It might leave it a little like greasy, but it's okay. And it's 11 grams in 1 tablespoon. So imagine if you put 2. And the last thing you're going to need for some taste is like some sugar-free syrup. And this one has 0 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. It's just all water and artificial and natural flavors, citric acid. We're kind of running low on this. We had like pumpkin spice. This one is iced cinnamon roll. We had a whole bunch of different flavors of these, and we get these from Marshall's, and they're $3.99 for the whole bottle. We cook this with like everything, like pancakes, desserts, like literally this is flavoring heaven. So yeah, and you're also going to need ice and water and a blender and a coffee maker. So yes, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and make some coffee. Okay, so what you're going to do is, I just cleaned out my coffee maker, and you want to put your little film sheet thing in, and now I'm going to take a spoon. So you just want to basically put your coffee in there. And the reason I'm including this is because I didn't know how to use a coffee maker, and I was too lazy to go upstairs and ask, so I looked up a YouTube tutorial. And then next I'm going to put this over top of here and pour my water into the back part and cut the coffee maker on. So I made this much coffee, and I think that is good. So now we're going to just go ahead and pour it in here. And the steps that I'm about to do now, you can literally just do this and drink it like this. This is how I usually drink it, but today I wanted to make some iced coffee, you know, bring it back to my Starbucks days. But next I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter. And the reason I'm adding the butter before I put it in the blender is because it needs to melt, and this is hot. And we also want to cool this down just a little bit before we put it in the blender. I feel like it's gonna melt and I'm scared. So I'm gonna put the butter in, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon in. About a tablespoon. I'm not perfect at measuring. I'm using a spoon, and I'm just gonna drop that much butter in there. And literally the butter has no taste. It's about to make like all the oils and stuff come into the coffee. So usually I just drink it like this, and you know, put the heavy whipping cream and the coffee creamer in it. I don't really do all the steps to make it like iced coffee. But today we're trying something different, because when you're on a diet and you're following recipes and stuff, it could get a little boring and you want to kind of spice it up. So yeah. And I have my blender. So first thing I'm going to do is put some ice in there, and I just have this ice bag. Wait, I need to set. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do, and I'm not making a lot, so that should be good. I'll put ice in there. And make sure y'all clean as y'all go. I just cleaned up my blender, my coffee maker, and put that away. Now I have my coffee right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. It's still a little hot, but we have the ice in there, so I'm not scared of it melt in the blender anymore. Ooh. Okay, so the ice is cooling it down. Let's hurry up. And now I'm gonna put some heavy whipping cream. Y'all, I'm not measuring anything, I'm just eyeballing it because I'll do that. So I literally didn't put that much heavy whipping cream in. And I'm actually gonna use the rest of this. So, come on, man. Well, mine as well. That's disrespectful to leave it. So now we're gonna blend this up. First, I need to wipe it off. Y'all, I know y'all seen the coffee like spill on the side of it. So let me wipe this off. If you clean as you go, you won't have a mess. I have some bacon in the oven, and then I'm gonna scramble some eggs and really make my breakfast up. Because I don't want to be hungry. I want to like be full. I'm very hungry right now. So that's when I make our iced coffee. I feel like the ice is not doing anything. I feel like I need more ice. I'm gonna use the ice cubes because I feel like the other ice is like something from my parents, like they want it for something. Ooh, don't be flopping. It actually tastes really good. Too much foam. It's more so like iced coffee rather than a frappe. So it's very good for keto. I should actually save that one for tomorrow. This is really good. Okay, so I'm gonna bottle the rest of this up and save it so I can have it later. And if you wanted to add some whipping cream on top of it, you can feel free to do that. That's adding some extra fat. We have whipped cream. I'm just not about to open it. It's not opened already, so I'm not about to open it because I think we're doing another recipe soon, and the whipping cream is more important for that. Y'all, the eggs is all the way in the back of the refrigerator, and they just went grocery shopping, and it's like, because of the corona and everything, the regular cartons of eggs are taken out, so it's like a box of eggs is too much. I ain't making eggs no more. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was super quick, super last minute. I'm about to just, y'all, I cannot make bacon. Okay, this piece isn't too bad. It's not burnt, but I'm about to just drink this coffee, eat this bacon, and stay tuned for like overall how much weight I've lost, other things I've been eating, other things I've been doing. And I love you all. Be sure to subscribe again. Love you.